Big hug.
Alright, so Assalamualaikum, good evening everyone. So, first of all, I would like to thank Leader Fitness Academy for this achievement, okay? For this excellent award. So, this is my third convocation now. And guys, this is my third one. Alright, so again, to all of my students who are going to graduate today. So, actually, this is for you too. For all of us. Why? Because the thing is, you made my role as a tutor very rewarding. Alright, again, you made my role as a tutor very rewarding. So I'm proud to say that I'm being part of your journey, and I'm honored to guide all of you, some of you, again, okay, and to share to do what I love and to share the knowledge that I have. So again, congratulations.